Hello guys, welcome to the channel Math Ko Math with Aditya. In this video, we'll be doing the question 9 of the exercise 4.3 of quadratic equations. So in this question, two taps together fill a tank in 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tank can separately fill the tank. So this question is called an efficiency based question. So now let's start with the solution. But before we jump into the calculations, this type of question requires a very strong concept. The concept is called efficiency. Efficiency can be in any term, either it be speed or of work. So efficiency is the rate of doing something. Since this very basic thing that we know is a speed, so the speed is the rate of change of distance, rate of covering distance, rate of change of velocity or anything. So now what we say, acceleration as rate of change of velocity, electric current, rate of flow of current. So this rate, the rate tells us how much in a particular time. So similarly, in the thing of work done, there's a concept that's called efficiency. We know that the speed is rate of covering distance, and that's found out by dividing the distance by time. So whenever you need to find the rate, you divide it by time. So what's efficiency then? Efficiency is the rate of work, rate of doing work. And as you know, you will always need to divide it by time. And how much is the unit of work? This is not the work done that we have studied in physics. This is a unit work. For example, making a pen. This is a unit of work, completing the making of one pen. Similarly, what is the work in making a building? That is one, because we have made one building. So what is the efficiency? Efficiency is rate of work and is found by dividing one, because the work is one unit, and by dividing it by time. So now let's use this concept to get the answer of the given question. So in this question, it was given that a tap of smaller. So first we have to make an assumption. Okay, so let me write, let the smaller diameter tap take X hours to fill tank separately. Alone, let me write separately or alone. So if you only use the smaller diameter tap, it would take X hours. It's also given that the larger diameter tap, so larger diameter tap would take 10 hours less. So X minus 10 hours to fill the tank separately. Now comes our concept of efficiency. So what is the efficiency of the smaller tap? So it is 1 by X. What is the efficiency of the larger tap? 1 upon X minus 10. And this is a very basic common sense that the larger the diameter of tank, more water will flow and more early it would fill the tank. So now the efficiency of the individual tank, both tanks contribute to fill the tank in a given time, that is 3 by 8 hours. So the efficiency of filling the tank of one tap plus the efficiency of filling the tank of the second tap would be equal to the total efficiency of the system. And since it was completed in 3 by 8 hours, therefore the efficiency would be 1 upon 3 by 8 hours. So we have calculated efficiency of everything: small tap, larger tap, and efficiency of filling the tank. Since both taps are running simultaneously, both their efficiencies add up. And this is the very basic solution that would help you solve all the questions of this type. And now comes the basic calculation. Here you have 1 by x and here you have x minus 10. So LCM would be x into x minus 10. So it would give you x square minus 10x. So x square minus 10x. And above you have 1. So it would be x minus 10 plus x. And this is equal to 1 upon 9 3 by 8. So 9 3 by 8 hours can be written as 8 9 is 72 plus 3 75 by 8. 75 by 8. So 1 upon 75 by 8. So the denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. So this is equal to 8 upon 75. And now you just have to do the cross multiplication. This is 2x minus 10. So 75 into 2x will give you a 150x. And 75 into minus 10 would give you minus 750. And here you have 8 into x square. So 8x square. 8 into minus 10x. So minus 80x. And now you have got your quadratic equation. Just send all the variables over one side. So you have 8x square minus 80x and minus 150x. So 80 plus 150. So minus 230x. And here you have minus 75, that would become plus 750. So 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is your quadratic equation. Now we will use b square minus 4ac, that is the quadratic formula. So d is equal to b square, so minus 230's whole square. So now you will have to find it, and that is equal to 52900. 00 for this, and 23 square is 529. So b square minus 4 into 8 into 750. And this value comes out to be 5290. 52,900 minus 24,000, that gave us 28900. And you have got the answer. 289 means 17 square and 00 means 100, so 10. So you get 170 as the square root, that is the root d. So root d is equal to 170, and now it's very easy for us to find alpha and beta. So alpha is equal to minus of b, minus of minus 230, so 230 positive, plus root d 170, sorry, and that's divided by 2 into a, that is 16. And here you are having 230, this 70 makes us 400 by 16, and that gives us a value equivalent to 25. So alpha is equal to 25. Similarly, beta would give us 230 minus 170 upon 16. That would give us 60 divided by 16. That would give us 15 upon 4 hours. Neglecting this value 15 upon 4 because it doesn't mean anything, we take the value 25. So if the smaller tap fills the tank separately in x hours, that means 25 hours. Similarly, the larger tap fills the tank in x minus 10 hours, and this is 25 minus 10, and this is equivalent to 15 hours. So this is the solution for this question. I've told you the concept also. It would be very easy if you use the concept of efficiency. And this is the solution, and I'll meet you in the next video with the next solution. Till then, bye.